Kia ora, I'm Hayley from Pacific Harvest Seaweeds, the edible seaweed specialists. And welcome to our Foodie Find series, where today I'm just talking about two of our salt products, our Kelp sea salt and our seaweed salt. Now, lots of people have been talking about Celtic sea salt. We've just published a blog on this, looking at the nutritional difference between the seaweed salts and the Celtic sea salt. Not to distract at all from Celtic sea salt, but seaweed is a next level in terms of nutritional value, in terms of the minerals on offer, the concentration of minerals, as well as the fibre that is not available in the pure salt product like Celtic salt. So if you're a fan of Celtic salt, please do check out that blog and just upskill yourself around adding a little bit of seaweed into your salt, which really is next level from a nutritional perspective. So both of our products, our kelp salt is available in a refill box, and our little seaweed salt is also available in the refill. And if you have been offering these products, consider upsizing to the bigger sizes to just capture a bit more shelf space and customer attention. Our kelp salt's different because we have at least 20% more kelp in the kelp sea salt than other brands have. So you're going to get an excellent source of iodine from every serve. And this is a fantastic way, if you've been told you need more iodine in your diet, just swap out your table salt for a kelp salt. And you're going to get all the natural goodness that's in iodine, that's in the seaweed from your salt swap. Plus, with seaweed, you're getting the salty flavour, but you're getting all the other minerals like potassium and calcium and magnesium and iron that are not just available in a pure sodium chloride salt option. Now, our seaweed salt is a little bit more of a culinary product, I'd say. It's got a bigger flake of seaweed in it, so it's more dramatic on the plate. It'll bring a bit of colour in the sprinkle, lots of umami. So I use both of these products in everyday cooking, but I tend to use this on our table as a salt alternative. So you can decide what works for you, but we have lots of recipe inspiration on our website, which is pacificharvest.co. Please jump on there, just type in salt and you can look up lots of recipe ideas. And also read blogs on, as I said earlier, on the Celtic salt and on our salt products. But the other thing just to note is kelp is really tenderising. It has a special enzyme in it which breaks down the cell wall and will promote digestion. So when you marinate with a kelp product, you're going to get a deliciously soft cut of meat, and all the umami from the seaweed is going to infuse that. So this is a fantastic product for marinades as well as everyday use in pretty much anything. Thank you, and we hope that you find ways to bring a little bit of salt with seaweed in it into every day.